Okay, so we're going to start looking at Geometry 2 now. That's the next chapter. And in today's lesson, we're going to learn how to identify vertically opposite angles, learn that the opposite angles are equal to each other, and draw two intersecting lines, identify the opposite angles, and evaluate the size of the opposite angles. So, to identify your vertically opposite angles, okay. What you have is two lines that cross over each other like this. When you have two lines that cross over each other like this, the opposite angles, so they're opposite angles, the vertices, so the points of the angles are touching each other, but the angles are not beside each other. They are your vertically opposite angles, and we know that they are equal. Okay, so you say that angle A is equal to angle C, and you write that as straight line angle A equals, straight line equals the size of the angle C. Then from this, we have two more vertically opposite angles, D and B, and we can say that angle D is equal to angle B, and that's written as straight line angle B straight line equals straight line angle D straight line. Okay, so then if we look at this example, we have two lines, L and K, intersecting is shown. Find the measures of angle A and angle B. So angle A is vertically opposite 50. So angle A, we know that vertically opposite angles are equal, so angle A is equal to 50 degrees. Angle B is vertically opposite 130. So vertically opposite angles are equal. So angle B is 130 degrees. Okay, so in this question here, we have two lines P and Q that intersect at this point here. And we have to find the size of the angle B and the size of the angle C. So our solution. Okay, so what can we say? Well, we can say that the angle B is directly opposite 110 degrees. So we can say angle B equals 110, we put in the degree symbol, 110 degrees, and if I move it over a little bit, I can say why, because it's vertically opposite. Very important that you give a reason every single time you say something in geometry. Then angle C. What is the size of angle C? Well, we know that this line P is a straight line. Actually, if I use this one here, Q, that's a straight line. So that's 180 degrees. And if this is 110, and we take away 110 from 180, we get 70 degrees. So C is equal to 70 degrees. So I can write it like this. The angle C equals, what did we say? 70 degrees. And what's the reason? Q is a straight line. And then what can I say? So 180 minus 110 equals 70. And that's that done.